On the 2.7 Chrysler 300, this is going to be the same thing for the Chargers with the 2.7 liter engine in it. What we're doing is we're going to be replacing the cold air intake, as you can see right down here. This is the old cold air intake. He's going to go ahead and swap this one out with this one here. But before we do that, we had to take this off. With this cold air intake, it's just a few flatheads, loosen them. Otherwise, on the stock one is still going to be a couple flatheads. Now we're going to remove the throttle body itself, and that's going to be with that 13 millimeter bolts. 10 millimeter bolts. Looks like there's four. So you got one at the top and the bottom. Same thing on this opposite side. 10 millimeter bolts. And you can see already the throttle body is going to be it's going to come off in a second. I believe there's a gasket behind it, so we have to be careful with that. It probably would even be best to replace it. Our customer didn't get it, but so no big deal. And what we're going to be using here is the throttle body and air intake cleaner here, and just some shop towels. So this is a fairly simple job. You just need the throttle body air cleaner. It's about $7. And as you can see here on the back of this throttle body, you see that? All that black stuff? That's what we're about to clean off with the throttle body cleaner. This is the gasket that you can replace, the circle one, the blue one. Looks like it was replaced not too long ago. So we're just going to go ahead, clean this off, put it back in there, and then we're going to be good to go. So remember, for y'all's mobile mechanic needs, y'all message us at 214-791-7037. Or you can find us on Google, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram under Puro, Puro, Mobile Mechanics Dallas.